Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to set up and use your greenhouse work-up station. The greenhouse work-up station was designed to make your parallel chemistry workups and purifications quick and easy. So you've completed 24 reactions within your greenhouse plus synthesizer. How do you go about working this up? This is where the greenhouse work-up station comes in. The greenhouse work-up station was designed to allow you to do 2 levels of filtration, phase separation and/or SPE columns. For the different types of purification, we have different columns. For filtration, e.g. of a resin or other solids, use a 20 micron PE filtration column. Phase separation or liquid-liquid extraction, use a phase separation column. Use a solvent phase which is denser than water and which will pass through the hydrophobic frit, leaving the lighter aqueous phase retained by the frit. For solid phase extraction, use SPE columns. The choice of column depends on the properties of the compound you're trying to purify and the nature of the impurities. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your greenhouse work-up station. First, you need to select your collection platform, whether it's a deep well microtiter plate, a vial rack, or a greenhouse reaction block. Place it inside the work-up station base. The next step is to select the correct size aluminium spacers depending on your collection platform. If you're using a microtiter plate, the short aluminium spacers will do. Once they're in place, then place on your support plate. When you put on your support plate, please ensure that your silicon gasket is facing upwards. The next step is to insert the polypropylene needles into the support plate. Once these are in place, you can then select your columns that you wish to use. For a 2-stage workup and purification, place on the aluminium inserts, and then add on your upper support plate. And now you're ready to do a 2-stage purification and workup. Once the 2-stage setup is complete, using a multi-channel pipette, load on your samples. Positive pressure is not normally required for phase separation. However, for filtration and SPE, a gentle positive pressure can be used. We have an acrylic gas cover with an inlet that can be attached to a low pressure air or nitrogen supply. If the greenhouse work-up station is being used with less than 24 columns on each plate, then you should blank off the unused positions with an empty column and an appropriate column cap. Once you have completed your workup and your purification, take out the collection rack, and if you wish to evaporate these 24 samples in parallel, please watch our video on the greenhouse blowdown evaporator. Thank you for watching this video on the greenhouse work-up station. Please watch our other videos on the greenhouse parallel plus synthesizer and the greenhouse blowdown evaporator. If you have any questions, please go to our website and download our instruction manuals, or feel free to contact one of our technical sales specialists like me.